Welcome everyone. Now we are going to discuss about how to download and install Netbeans IDE. So Netbeans IDE is very useful for if you want to run Java based programs, you can use Netbeans IDE. For that, first you have to select the official website from the Apache Netbeans website. And then you can see the versions. You have to select the latest version. After that, you have to select this option. You have to select exe file, and then you can select the link, HTTP link. So after the download is completed, you have to open the exe file. So if you want to customize your options, you can select customize. So if you want to uncheck any options, you can uncheck. And then you have to select next. You have to accept the terms and condition, and then you have to select next. So if you want to change the folder, you can change. So I'm going to change to F, and then you have to select next. So at last you have to select install. So it might take some time, you have to wait for that. So the installation is successfully completed. You have to select finish. So you can open Netbeans IDE, Apache Netbeans IDE version 25. It will load all the modules. So if you want to create new project or if you want to create new file, you can select any one of them. So I'm going to select create new project, and then I'm going to select Java with and then I'm going to select Java application, and then you have to select next. So it will activate your Java. So you can type your project name. I'm going to type sample, and then you can change your project location. The default, it will be stored in documents. And then you can select the main class sample.sample, and then you can select finish. It will create your Java project. So that's it. We have successfully created Java project in Netbeans. So you have to remove all the unnecessary ones. So in this line, you can type your code. So for simple, I'm going to print hello world. So you can type system.out.println of. Inside that you can type hello world, and then you have to put semicolon. So after that you have to save your file. It is important, you have to save your file. So if you want to run your file, you can select this option, run project. So you can see the output, hello world. Our output is successfully executed. So there are many options, you can check on your own time. So if you want to create any projects like full stack Java project or servlet project, you can use the Netbeans IDE. So that's it. We have successfully installed Netbeans IDE and run our first Java program in Netbeans IDE. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends who wants to use Netbeans IDE for their Java programs.